Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm working on this Sport BMW 4 Series, and I'll be doing drive shaft replacements, lower wishbone arm, and bearing, hub bearing. The hub bearing. So this is a hub bearing which have been removed. So to remove this, to remove this hub bearing, you have to move the drive shaft bolt from this end, the steering rack bolt, the wishbone, the lower arm. Yeah, these are the things you need to do, and I'll show you step by step how I go about it and assemble this. So you just have to move the wheel discs. Use the wheel discs off from here. The wheel discs go straight to the hub from here. Yeah, just to the hub, and see. So next you need a torque start T60. You can see. So you just need to move these 4 bolts. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. But first you have to clean it first to remove it. Clean it properly so sand can go in. Yeah. So the bearing is out. This is the bearing. Yeah, and see, and this is the sensor, ABS sensor, so you need to be careful. So all you need is just to clean all these bits out, dirty sound it, then put new bearing. You can see the old one, after it is. So yeah, you can see like it's cleaned. Please make sure you clean this properly and behind before you put new bearing in, because all these cars are really sensitive. You put it it's only the wrong way, then you're gonna have problems. Yeah, clean it properly, do your proper job, quality. So the behind, clean it. It makes sense if you clean all these bits, but there's not much time for that. So just clean where the bearing is gonna go in, clean the hole, clean them properly, then install new bearing. So this is the new bearing from Crafter company. Yeah, so this is new bolt. We come along with new bolts, so I'm going to use all the new bolts as well. Put all the new bolt in. Yeah, so yes, and it has a setting, so then we can see. Then this bit has to go to this side. There's a setting for it. Has to go to this side. Yeah, you can see this bit has to go to align with this side. And you pass your bolt through beneath. Yeah, make sure it's straight. Yeah, you can see it's all installed with the new bolts on this side as well. And see we're aligned. Yeah, so next you just have to put in the discs clean properly. Also remember to sand this down for the discs. If you're not buying new discs, you want to use the old one, just sand it like wire brush it to clean it, because you're putting it onto a new bearing. So just clean it to prevent noise, yeah, and proper installation. Yeah, that's in mine. So the discs is on. Nice to put the bearing on to the car. Yeah. So the hub bearing is hung to the shock structure with the 18 bolts going through it and hanging there. And then this is the lower bar linkage, 1 bolt there. Always put grease, please, to prevent rust. And there, and the lower arm to this. This is 18 socket straight to, yeah, this is 21. So regarding this, if you don't have 18 socket, you can use the torque 2. So I recommend using 18 socket, and the linkage as well. The new drive shaft is in, complete in, and torque down with the type bolt. You can see how the torque down the ABC 8 bolts. Yeah, I think everything is just mounted in. What you need there is just to tight it properly. Then yeah. So all both have been tight. Down, down, down is tight. It's tight. Now it's in. All completely in. Yeah, it's in. Nice.